only time I'm gonna be able to drive the, at least this week. Later in the video, I'm gonna explain a mod that I bought for her literally before I came out here and started the car. I bought something for the car. It's not a go fast part, but it does help you to be faster while you're driving, if that makes sense. But I'll explain in a few of what I bought for the car. Just stay tuned. All right, guys. Beautiful day. Going a short little POV drive. Just came back from visiting my father in the Bronx. Oh shit. There's cops directly in front of me. Well, I'm gonna tell you guys a funny story right now. So I went to go fill up gas. As you can see, I have a full tank of gas. I give him 20. Yeah, $20 fill up. Cool. So I'm filling up, and I'm like, what the hell? Why did it just pass $20 when the numbers is going up? So long story short, the guy accidentally put $40, because in this day and age of gas being ridiculously expensive, it takes about $40 to fill this car up now. So I basically got $40 of gas for $20, or pretty much this is what $20 used to do during the pandemic or before the pandemic. Crazy. But yeah, we're just going on a short little cruise in my 240 wheel horsepower Civic Si. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button. I post videos pretty often whenever I have the time to, or whenever I have an idea to make a video. But this car has a simple K24 with a Type S oil pump, VTC, drag cartel drop-in cams. I think they're 2.2s. I think all drop-in cams are 2.2s. I don't know how they do their little stages. But what else I got? I got a thermal R&D 3-inch catback exhaust, and I have skunk 2 alpha headers, and I have a skunk 2 cold air intake. Right now it's in its short ram configuration. I've had a hybrid racing cold air intake, but it sucked up water and hydrolocked my last motor, or it didn't completely hydrolock it. I think it just lifted a bearing because it was knocking and tapping like crazy. It didn't even sound like engine knock. Like it was like, sounded like a diesel truck, bro. Like it was crazy. But yeah, I love this car. I have this car for, we're in 2023. I bought this car in 2019 of November. So yeah, it's not as loud as hell. So I had this car for what, 4 years, going on 5, I guess. But love this car to death. This car has taught me so much about cars, myself, everything. As corny as that sounds, I was about to sell it. I was about to get rid of it. I was about to give up on it a billion times. But this car makes me happy. I love this car. Such a good car. City Island right over here. As you see the exit for it. We're on the Hutchison River Parkway. I hate this damn parkway. Living in Mount Vernon, I hate this parkway. I used to love this parkway when I lived in the Bronx, because for some reason every time I used to get on this parkway when I lived in the Bronx, there was never any traffic. Now that I live in Mount Vernon and I rely on this parkway, I can't stand this shit. But it is what it is. motherfuckers next to me just looked at me, and I have a whole ass GoPro on my head. I feel like a dweeb right now. Stopped recording for some reason, because it did that before when I raced my boy Jay. Shout out to my boy Jay at Lord Bangers. Get a video for you guys. I worked the entire week. This is my only day off, so if I can at least get a nice video for you guys, I'm straight. I'm so happy I got a full tank of gas. This shit's gonna last me for a month, because I only drive this car on Mondays and Tuesdays. Oh, is that a Type S? It's not. I was about to be like, what's the vibes, playboy? Mentioned earlier that I just bought something for the car. It's a performance-oriented mod. Oh, it's a GTR right here. I don't want to get smoked by a GTR right now on video, but that would be a fun part of the video. But basically, I bought a rear sway bar, a Progress rear sway bar, 24 millimeters. Whenever it decides to come next Monday, I'm gonna put it on. Me and my boy Gabriel, shout out to Gabriel, we'll put it on together. If he pulls up, if he's not busy or whatever, because my schedule sucks compared to everybody's. My off days is where everybody's at work and there's nothing to do. Those GTIs. Second gear for you guys. if you guys want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. Instagram is on the screen.